This is my review of our yummy silicone play mat for our dogs. This is a silicone therapeutic interacting feeding and licking mat that we let our dogs use. We spread peanut butter inside these little holes. I'll put this one down so you can kind of see it. It's a way for them to actually enjoy, and we spread peanut butter across here, and they can lick through it and try to get down into it. And sometimes we get smaller treats and put up underneath there. So it's just an interactive toy that we have purchased for our animals and for our dogs to use. Just something, don't we all love our furry friends? And this is just a great little addition. It's a great gift for anybody that you know that possibly has furry friends, and give them something extra to play with. Put this in your cart today.